right, friends, so today we're going to be talking about adjectives. We're going to watch a short video on what an adjective is. And then we have a worksheet where we will circle the noun and then identify what the adjective is that is describing the noun. Liam, do you remember what an adjective is?
No.
It does something for the noun. A noun is a person, place, or thing. An adjective is the word that describes it. Alright, so let's figure out what an adjective is.
What is an adjective? Well, this might sound a little weird, but in order to know what an adjective is, you have to understand what a noun is. And remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. A person like a doctor, or a place like a bookstore, or a thing like a desk. If it's a person, place, or thing, it's a word that's a noun. Well, here's where adjectives come in. Adjectives describe nouns.
Alright, so our noun is a person, place, or thing. Adjectives describe the noun. So it'll tell you if it was big or small, if it was tall or short, or even what color it was. So those are some of the key words that we're going to be looking for when we are able to identify the noun.
Adjectives are words that tell us more about nouns. So let's look at some adjectives for these nouns that we shared. The doctor, the bookstore, and the desk. The doctor. Two adjectives we could use to describe this doctor are tall and smart. Tall and smart describe this doctor, and the doctor is the noun. Remember, bookstore is a noun too, it's a place. What are two adjectives that we could use? Well, one adjective could be the word fancy. This looks like a pretty fancy little bookstore. And also looks like it could be friendly. Friendly is another adjective we could use to describe this bookstore. Fancy and friendly are adjectives. They describe the noun. Well, what about this desk? Well, two adjectives that could describe this desk are clean and tan. Clean because you can see it's not a dirty desk. And also tan because that's the color of the desk. That describes the color of the desk. This is a tan desk. Tan and clean are adjectives. They're describing the nouns. All of these words you see are adjectives. Tall, smart, fancy, friendly, clean, and tan.
Science is a blast with Generation Genius. New teaching resources, science videos.
Adjectives are pretty fun. All you have to remember is adjectives describe nouns. Now let's practice using adjectives to describe nouns. Look at this picture. These girls, how would we describe these girls? Well, some adjectives we could use the adjective happy. They look pretty happy. Look at those big smiles. What else would describe them? Do they look clean? Yeah, they look pretty messy.
So friends, we have these girls, and they are covered in all these different colors. So girls would be our noun, because that's a person. And then we have two adjectives. We are saying they're happy because look at her smiling. When you smile, you're happy. And we can also say they're messy because look, they are covered in different colored